This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to survive your first 7 days in 7 days to die. Your initial moments are critical. Immediately gather wood, stone, and plant fibers. Craft a stone axe and pickaxe to speed up resource collection. Find a safe spot, perhaps an abandoned building or a flat area, to establish a temporary base. Always keep an eye on your hunger and thirst meters, as staying fed and hydrated is paramount for early survival. Once you have your basic tools, focus on gathering more substantial resources. You'll need at least 50 wood for a workbench and some initial frames. Mine for iron and lead to begin smelting, which is crucial for upgrading your gear. Scavenge every building you encounter for vital supplies like food, water, and medical kits. Remember to craft a campfire and cooking pot to prepare safe food and water, preventing illness. Now it's time to establish a more permanent base. Select a location that offers strategic advantages, like a hilltop or a pre-existing structure. Build with reinforced wood or stone, aiming for at least 2 layers of walls for better protection. Ensure you have a secure door and reinforce any windows to keep the undead out. Don't forget to place a bedroll inside. It's your respawn point and crucial for saving your progress. As the 7th night approaches, dedicate your time to fortifying your base. Reinforce walls, upgrade blocks, and craft plenty of ammunition for your weapons. Wooden spikes are an excellent, inexpensive defense. Place them strategically around your base to damage and slow down the incoming horde. Stock up on food, water, and healing items. Being well prepared is key to surviving the intense zombie assault that will test your defenses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.